you where we're going. We're together on this, right?
Beverly Hills. We got an address on the map. The hunt circle's near to you. But remember, he's not a suspect yet. So we question him, not damage him.
Oh, sure, yeah. Okay, I won't hurt. Look, I'll let you do all the talking.
Let me do all the talking. Let me do all the talking.
Experience counts here.
Yeah. You're not gonna smoke in the car.
Well, I am. What's it bother you? I mean, I'll put it out if it bothers you.
Yeah, boss.
Does it?
Yeah.
How about I open the window? Will that make you happy?
No, that's not the point. You know, I had to watch out for my mom. You know, I exercise and take care of myself.
4241 coming.
Bingo. Hey, do we have a warrant to go in here? We don't need a warrant to get close.
Oh. Didn't take it alone, huh?
Hey guys, go on in. Make yourself at home.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Don't need a one-way invitation.
Hey, I've seen this place on Lifestyles of the Rich and Shameless.
Get the door. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Let it go on you.
Look at this.
Paradise.
Ah, isn't that sweet? I'm thinking probable cause.
Get the girl! Okay, bozo! Oh, come on! Move! Get your hands up! Let me see your face! Come on, hands in front of you! Back down! Oh, my leg, man! Sweetheart, where you are? Got him! Show me your hands! Let me see them! Right now! I want to see them right now! Put your hands up there! Put your hands up there! Let me see your hands! See how easy that was? Boom, still alive. Now we question him. You know why we question him? Because I got him in the leg. I didn't shoot him full of holes to try to jump off a building.
That's no fair. The building guy lived.
You know, whatever. The point being, no killing.
No killing, right?
Right.
Piece of cake. Now I'm happy.
Being is right, and I'll stand over here being happy.
We gotta go!
You ever met anybody you didn't kill?
Oh, I haven't killed you yet.
Well, don't do me no favors.
When you go overboard